Did you know contagious yawning affects up to 40% of humans, according to Psychology Today? When it comes to yawning, our brains are wired to mirror others. It's not just about feeling tired or bored. When we see someone else yawn, our brain sends out a signal that triggers our own yawn reflex. This phenomenon is observed in both humans and chimpanzees, suggesting that empathy plays a key role. In fact, scientists still can't explain why people yawn when they see others do it, but one thing's for sure, it's contagious. So next time you're in a meeting or class and someone lets out a big yawn, don't be surprised if you start feeling the urge to join in. And remember, follow Pulse New Mind Fact every day.